Greetings health enthusiasts, and thank you for joining us today in our discussion on the Healthy You channel. Are you ready for a change? The keto diet can transform your life. It's not just another diet, it's a powerful way to improve your health and well-being. The keto diet is simple: eat lots of healthy fats, reduce your carbs. This shifts your body into a state called ketosis. Ketosis is where the magic happens. Imagine your body becoming a fat-burning machine. You'll have more energy, think clearer, and feel amazing. This is the power of the keto diet. Let's dive in and explore the incredible benefits of keto. Ketosis might sound complicated, but it's actually quite simple. Your body loves to use glucose from carbs for energy. When you limit carbs on the keto diet, your body needs a new fuel source. Enter ketones. Ketones are produced by your liver from fat. They become your body's primary energy source in ketosis. This metabolic switch has profound effects. Recent studies highlight the incredible benefits of keto. It helps with weight loss, blood sugar control, and even brain health. The science is clear. Keto is a powerful tool for improving your health. The keto diet is not just a fad, it offers a wide range of health benefits backed by science. Weight loss is a major benefit. Keto helps you lose weight faster and keep it off. Do you struggle with blood sugar control? Keto can help. By reducing carbs, you stabilize your blood sugar levels. This is especially beneficial for people with diabetes or prediabetes. Keto can boost your brain power too. Ketones provide a clean and efficient fuel source for your brain. This can improve focus, memory, and overall cognitive function. But that's not all. Keto also improves heart health, reduces inflammation, and may even have anti-cancer properties. The benefits of keto are truly remarkable. While the keto diet offers incredible benefits, it's important to be aware of potential risks. Some people experience side effects like the keto flu when first starting. This is usually temporary and easily managed. It's crucial to prioritize healthy fats on keto. Avoid processed foods and focus on whole, nutrient-dense options. This will help you reap the full benefits of keto while minimizing risks. Remember, everyone is different. It's always best to consult your doctor before starting any new diet, including keto. They can help you determine if keto is right for you and personalize your approach. Fuel your body. Keto-friendly foods. Ready to stock your pantry with delicious keto-friendly foods? Think healthy fats, moderate protein, and very low carbs. Embrace the power of avocados. They're full of healthy fats and nutrients. Add them to salads, smoothies, or enjoy them sliced with eggs for a satisfying breakfast. Nuts and seeds are your keto snacking heroes. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are packed with healthy fats and fiber. Keep a mix on hand to curb cravings and boost your energy. Don't forget about leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and lettuce are low in carbs and full of vitamins and minerals. Make them the base of your salads or sauté them with garlic and olive oil for a delicious side dish. Meal planning, your keto roadmap. Meal planning is key to keto success. It keeps you on track and prevents unhealthy cravings. Start your day with a keto-friendly breakfast. Eggs are a great option. Try them scrambled with cheese and spinach or whip up a delicious omelet. For lunch, think salads with protein. Grilled chicken or fish over a bed of leafy greens with avocado and a drizzle of olive oil is both satisfying and flavorful. Dinner can be just as exciting. Try cauliflower rice instead of regular rice. It's a low-carb alternative that's perfect for stir-fries, curries, or as a side dish. Don't forget about snacks. Keep keto-friendly options on hand to prevent cravings. A handful of nuts, a small piece of cheese, or celery sticks with almond butter are all great choices. Exercise and hydration. Exercise is an important part of any healthy lifestyle, and keto is no exception. It helps you burn fat, build muscle, and boost your mood. Find an activity you enjoy and make it a part of your routine. Whether it's walking, jogging, swimming, or strength training, moving your body is essential. Hydration is equally important on keto. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. You can also enjoy unsweetened herbal teas or add a squeeze of lemon or lime to your water for flavor. Listen to your body and rest when you need to. Don't push yourself too hard, especially when first starting out. Gradual and consistent effort is key. Keto lifestyle, making it last. The keto diet is not just a temporary fix, it's a lifestyle change. But don't worry, it's a delicious and rewarding one. Embrace the power of community. Connect with others on a keto journey. Share recipes, tips, and support each other along the way. Don't be afraid to indulge in moderation. Occasional treats are okay. Just make sure they fit within your overall keto goals. Focus on progress, not perfection. Every day is a new opportunity to make healthy choices, celebrate your successes, and learn from any setbacks. Your keto journey begins today. Congratulations on taking the first step towards a healthier, happier you. The keto diet is a powerful tool for transforming your life. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. Embrace the support of the keto community and consult with healthcare professionals to guide you. Start small, stay consistent, and enjoy the incredible benefits of keto. Your best self is waiting. Thanks for joining us on Healthy You. We hope you found this information useful, and most importantly, we ask that you share this video with others to help inform those in the world around you and beyond. By sharing knowledge, we can inspire curiosity, ignite conversations, and foster a deeper knowing and understanding. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for future notifications. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, keep evolving, and stay healthy.